In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage orders WooCommerce 5 minutes. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating your store's orders, reviewing details, adding helpful notes, and updating order statuses the right way. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions, typically an administrator or shop manager. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard screen with the navigation menu on the left. In that left sidebar, click WooCommerce. This is where all your store management tools live. From there, choose Orders. You'll land on the Orders screen, which lists everything at a glance: order numbers, dates, customers, totals, payment methods, and current statuses. If you have a lot of orders, the search box at the top can help you quickly find an order by number or customer name, and the status filters make it easy to narrow things down. To view any order in full, click the order ID. This opens the order detail page. Here you'll see the order status, date, customer info, and the billing and shipping addresses. Scroll a bit to review the products purchased, quantities, prices, shipping costs, taxes, and the order total. You'll also see the payment method and, if applicable, shipping method. This page is your single source of truth for what was bought, who bought it, and where it's going. If you need to communicate or keep a record, you can add notes to the order. Notes are great for internal tracking or updating the customer. Choose whether it's a private note, which is visible only to your team, or a note to the customer, which can trigger an email notification. Keep customer-facing notes clear and friendly, for example, sharing a tracking number or letting them know about a short delay. All notes appear in the order timeline so your team can follow the history. When it's time to move the order forward, find the order status drop-down on the order page. Common statuses include pending payment, processing, on hold, completed, canceled, refunded, or failed. Pick the one that reflects the current stage. A quick tip: for physical products, processing usually means payment is received and the order is being prepared for shipment. Completed is ideal once the order has shipped, or for digital products, once access has been delivered. After selecting the new status, click Update to save your changes. This is important. Updating not only stores your edits, but can also send the appropriate emails and adjust stock if your store is set up that way. That's all you need. Open the dashboard, go to WooCommerce, select orders, open an order, add notes when needed, update the status, and click Update. With these steps, you'll keep your order flow accurate, timely, and easy to manage.